another important covering of the both plant as well as animal cell is cell membrane, or that we also called plasma membrane. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. As we know, in case of plant cell, outer covering is cell wall. Then next to cell wall there is presence of plasma membrane. That indicates plant cell having a two coating, cell wall and cell membrane. Whereas if you take animal cell, that animal cell only having a single coating, that what we call the name plasma membrane. Then plasma membrane is a very specialized membrane. It is a semi-permeable membrane. As we know, the membrane which allow to pass all solvent molecules and few small solute molecules, such membrane is called semi-permeable membrane, means half permeable we say. Even that we also called selectively permeable membrane. That means it able to select the specially smaller molecule, hence we called selectively permeable membrane. Or in other words, we also named as differential membrane. That means it can differentiate smaller and larger molecules. For that reason, only small molecules are allowed, hence it will be called differential membrane. Then typically, if you take a plasma membrane, it is made up of a lipoprotein layer. How these lipoprotein molecules in plasma membrane make the plasma membrane into semi-permeable membrane? To explain that concept, nearly 25 different models are proposed by a different cytologist. In that, one of the most important model is fluid mosaic model, proposed by the Nicholson and a Singer, the two eminent cytologists, first time explained the one model, that what we called fluid mosaic model. The name itself indicates there is a liquid exists in membrane. Here and there, some proteins are there, and the appearance is fluid mosaic model. Or Nicholson and Singer given very good example how iceberg is present in water, like that the model was appeared. Then basically, if you take the chemical composition, as we mentioned, it is made up of a lipid and protein. Therefore, it is what we call lipoprotein layer. Then always lipid which is present in plasma membrane is phospholipid. Whereas the proteins, whatever present in case of cell membrane, mainly two types. One is extrinsic protein. Name itself indicates these are the proteins remain outside. And second one, intrinsic protein. Here we have to discuss in detail the phospholipid molecule structure, chemical composition. Later, how these phospholipid and protein molecules arranged in cell membrane according to fluid mosaic model, we have to discuss in detail. If you take a phospholipid molecule which having head, neck and tail, like that we have three structural differences here or differentiation. One is globe-like head is present, then it is neck and it is tail. That means structurally phospholipid molecule we can differentiate it into head, neck and tail. If you take a head, basically it is made up of a phosphate molecule. Then neck is composed of single glycerol molecule and tail composed of two molecules of fatty acid. By this it indicates it's a compound lipid. Actually in normal lipids what happens? One molecule of glycerol, three molecules of fatty acids are present. But here what happens? One molecule glycerol and two molecules of fatty acids are there. Instead of one fatty acid, phosphate is there. If you take the special nature of this molecule, the head is generally absorb water. Hence, we call it as a, it may not absorb water. Hence, it is what we call hydrophobic head, we say. That means it will not absorb water at all. Whereas the tail, when you consider, it is a hydrophilic tail. That means tail is absorb water, whereas head region may not absorb water. This is regarding what? The phospholipid molecule. Typically, phospholipid molecule, structurally we can differentiate into head, neck, tail. Head is composed of phosphate molecule, neck one molecule of glycerol and tail composed of two molecules of fatty acid. Then the head may not absorb water, hence it is called hydrophobic head. As we know, the meaning hydros refers to water, phobia refers to fear or hate. That means it may not absorb water. Fear to water means it may not absorb water here. Then philic refers to attract or to what? Absorb. On that base, hydrophilic tail is there. That means tail absorb water, head may not absorb water at all. Basically, these phospholipid molecules and two types of the proteins, extrinsic and intrinsic proteins, arranged in lipid or in other words the plasma membrane according to Nicholson and Singer. In this diagram, we can able to analyze how lipid molecule and protein molecules are arranged in a plasma membrane or cell membrane according to fluid mosaic model. See this diagram here, lipid molecules present in two layers. Therefore, the lipid layer is generally bilayer it is. As earlier I mentioned, the head is may not absorb water in case of phospholipid molecule, hence it is hydrophobic head. Whereas tail absorb water, hence it is called hydrophilic tail. Typically, if you take the structure of a single lipid molecule, it having head, neck, tail. Head is made up of single phosphate molecule and neck with one molecule of glycerol, tail with two molecules of fatty acid. And this bilayered, the specially phospholipid molecule, always showing outer and inner surface with hydrophobic head, whereas the middle we have generally hydrophilic tail is there. That means both the inner surface of the cell membrane and outer surface of the cell membrane may not absorb easily water, but middle layer, that is tail, can able to absorb the water. Then this lipid bilayer is not continuous. Here and there is a gap is there. In that gap, the giant protein molecule is there. That is a big size protein molecule is there, and that is what we call the name intrinsic protein. That protein, what we name intrinsic protein, which is generally larger in size. Hence, generally if you take the plasma membrane, it shows mosaic appearance. At the same time, there is also a extrinsic protein is there, and this extrinsic protein is generally smaller in size, and it present on outer and inner surface. Hence, the specially fluid mosaic model looks like icebergs in water or fluid mosaic model, and the thickness of specially the cell membrane is 70 angstrom unit. Then this concept is most important because all the cell membranes we called as a unit membrane. Either you take a membrane of Golgi complex, chloroplast, mitochondria, nuclear membrane, then tonoplast. Tonoplast is membrane present around vacuole. Then even cell membrane of bacteria. Typically they having a lipoprotein layer, and presently most of the scientists believe that in all what you can say membrane, whatever we say as a semi-permeable membrane, exist in the cellular part are always the specially according to fluid mosaic model itself. If you consider functions of a plasma membrane, first one, it is generally helps for protection. Especially in case of plant cell, additional coating is there, cell wall. But in case of animal cell, complete protection is depends on cell membrane itself. And it also gives shape to the cell. Therefore, either you take animal cell or plant cell, they have a fixed shape according to their function because of presence of cell membrane. Then although it is not a physical boundary or barrier, it shows different transportation mechanisms. I think there is a one what we say important topic we have in first year itself, transport in plant. Whatever the mechanism there we explained, where any material has to enter into the cell, they have to cross the plasma membrane. Or otherwise, if any material has to given out from the cell, they have to cross the what? Cell membrane or plasma membrane. It is a very wonderful what to say specialized structure. It controls different transport mechanism except diffusion, active transport, endosmosis, exosmosis, then a facilitate diffusion. All these different phagocytosis, pinocytosis, exocytosis, all these different transporting mechanism, whatever takes place in organism cell is with the help of what? Cell membrane or plasma membrane itself. Then in case of amoeba as well as in case of WBC, white blood corpuscle, as well as the amoeba, the plasma membrane itself modified to form pseudopodia, and that helps for pseudopodial movement. That pseudopodial movement itself we called dipedesis. The movement of a amoeba or WBC with the help of pseudopodia we call the name dipedesis. And we know the villi or microvilli found in small intestine, as well as the proximal convoluted tubule of nephron we call PCT nephron. Here plasma membrane modified to form a simple folding, that specialized folding we call the name brush borders. That brush border increases surface area for absorption. Suppose you take in microvilli of the small intestine, digested food is absorbed and conveyed to the blood capillaries, where to increase the the surface area, plasma membrane shows finger-like folding. There are plenty of other foldings are there in especially surface view. One line I am showing, that brush borders are there. They helps to absorb digested food in small intestine. Whereas the proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron, where the useful material is reabsorbed from outgoing urine, that we call the name tubular reabsorption. During tubular reabsorption, to enhance the surface area, there is a special what tissue is there, or that columnar epithelium, which also showing brush borders. In such a way, plasma membrane play an important role in case of the different organisms, along with main protection and giving definite shape to the cell.